Welcome guys, and today I'm sharing with you how I made these small paper roses template. So stick around and you would see how simple it is. I'm using photocopy paper. I like it, it makes lovely flowers, roses and so on. And the measurements I'll be using will be 4.5 inches by 4.5 inches. And I'll just cut out the pieces and show it to you guys. So I have my pieces cut out and I do a bulk in them. What I'm doing is folding the paper in half diagonal and folding it again to get that crease line. Now I did several of them, but of course you can do it single, which I'll show you now. So you just take one piece, fold it in half, crease, fold it again and crease it. Now this is the fold here, and this is the side that you're going to be drawing your template on. So I'm just creating a leaf, flower petal, and you can do whatever designs you wish to, and I'll just cut out the shape. Open it up and you will see that you have your flower petals cut out. So this is how it looks. I'll do several of these. Now there are different shapes of petals that you can do, but this is the one that I'm going with. So I'll just fold it again. So you can use one of them to get another template from it. Instead of going and cutting, redrafting, you use one of your existing to get the other petals. So again, trace it out and then cut. So you can also do it like this. If it's too bulky for you, you can do it in half this way, because some of the papers get kind of bulky. Now I have all my pieces cut out. I'm just folding it again. I'm going to use my scissors and just clip the bottom of the petal, and I will do all like this. I will cut one of the petals off. Now don't throw it away, set it aside. On the second piece I'll cut 2, on the third I'll cut 3, and on the fourth I'll cut 4, which is half of it, because there are 8 petals on the flower. Remember, I said do not throw it away. We are going to be using it again. So I'm just cutting all my pieces off. So what you do next is you're going to be overlapping it on one of the petals. You can use whatever type glue you wish to. And this is how I curl my edges. I'm just using a slim skewer. I find this works so lovely, and it really curls it good. And you can use a pencil or whatever you wish to. This is how it looks. I get a very deep curl with it. So you make sure and you curl your edges. You can do it before or you can do it after. So I take one of the petals, I rest it on top of the other, and I glue it in place. I'm using my glue gun, and you do all of them in that manner. One of the petal on top of the other one. So you're layering it on one on top of the other. And like I said, I prepare all my pieces in this manner. So guys, I hope you are enjoying this paper tutorial. I enjoy making paper flowers. I love using inexpensive paper. I use what I have on hand. So this is the one that is going to make the one petal. So there's 3 pieces on this. And when it's curled one on top the other, and you just glue it in place. So as you notice, they become smaller and smaller. So I have all my pieces, and now is the easy part of putting them one inside the other. This is the last one that's going to go smack in the center. So just curl it on itself and glue it. And it looks like that. So take the largest one and rest it down and start gluing or layering the pieces one on top the other. Pressing it down to ensure that it's adhered properly. So this is how it's looking so far. As you can see, it looks so real. I'm just gluing in the last pieces. And guys, you see how simple this is to make? Then this is a whole petal flower. These are all the roses I'm going to be using. So I have some small ones. And they look so real, and the copying paper does a great job. So I have to spray paint them in color that I want right now. Well, I've started to give it a light. I'm not spray painting the whole thing. I'm using a white, but this is a gloss. Has a little gloss on it. So if I can show you a bit, I'm just going in a little. I may do all white, or I may do some gold also, because the decor is white, gold and blue. So what I do is, so I just hold the skewer, the rose with the skewer, and just give it a spray. Sorry, my hands was blocking you guys. Right, so that's what I'm going to continue doing. So guys, I'm going to show you how I created this lovely bouquet on my next episode. So stick around with me and I will see you quite soon.